Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It is another travel vlog. Today we are in Seattle, Washington. We're going to be doing a lot of sightseeing and seeing a lot of cool things, so let's get to it. Ooh. Oh, dude. Alright guys, well, we've made it to the gum wall. I got a piece of gum right here, so let's start chewing and we're going to stick one on the wall. It's so disgustingly cool. Nice little spot right there. Alright, here's my piece. Do it right over here. There we go. Added another gum to the collection. Alright, so I got a photo with the corner market and with the public market center. So now, the public market center is actually pretty cool. But now, it's time to eat. Alright guys, so we are at the Toll House Petit. It says right here. So that's the expanded wine list. I just want the menu. Alright guys, welcome to Cary Park. Just wait until you see this. Ready? Dude, guys, that is sick. Got the Space Needle right there. I mean, like, look at all the different colors. Like, I mean, yeah, they got their lights and stuff, but, like, they got some blues, some greens, and, like, you got the Space Needle right in the front. Tallest building, and it's, like, the architecture on that is so cool. Like, the skylines just look so cool. And got some, like, a green bridge or something, like, right there. It's, like, super sick. And got some red lights in the back, like, some lights on the mountain over there. So this is Cary Park right here. Got a nice little structure right there. Some houses. Traffic and stuff. People are parking to come in here. And then I'm sitting right here on this bench. You can see that it's dry right here, and all around it, it is wet or damp. This probably means that somebody was sitting exactly right here while it was raining. During the rain, I guess. I hope they're doing all right now. Check that out. It looks so cool when aircrafts go over the city too. So sick.
Our pleasure to welcome you to Medford, where the local time is 4:15 p.m.
Alright guys, we found a lockbox or like a time capsule hidden in the Redwood Forest. Check the things out that are in here. They're kind of damp. Got some stuff in here, very nice. Stuff right here, some cards and stuff, and then some shells and rocks and things like this. Pretty cool. We're gonna add some seashells in there. Sick. So we added some seashells in there. We're gonna put it back where it goes right there. And for somebody else to find and add something in there. So that's pretty cool. Alright. They even spray painted it so you can kind of barely see it if you're just walking by right here. You might not even be able to notice it. Or maybe you will. I'm not sure. But it's pretty cool. Yeah guys, so it's pretty sick in here. The forest is really nice and quiet. Like if you keep quiet, you can just hear nature. It's super nice in here. Let me know guys what you think about these like little travel vlogs. They're actually kind of fun to make. And it's cool showing you guys like these things. Like, look at this tree bark right here, like the layers of tree bark and stuff. I don't think this is a redwood tree, but there's some cool redwood trees here. They're like huge, they're massive. They got tons of, they're really old trees, got tons of rings in them. All right, guys, so this is not the Redwood Forest part of it yet, the actual park of it. There's just like a little forest thing on the side that we're in right now, but it's super quiet in here. There's like no people, a lot of tree branches and stuff, a lot of leaves. There's some moss around here too. Super sick stuff. If you guys just take a quick listen, you can barely hear anything. All you hear is just the leaves blowing around from the wind. It's super cool in here, super quiet, but we're gonna head to the actual forest, so let's go.
Hey.
All right, guys, check this out. So we have a tree right here that has fallen over with another tree that grew right on top of it. Look at the way these roots go. They're literally going inside of the old tree, over it and everything. I don't understand how this tree is able to even be on top of this one right here, especially so tall. Like, you will see some phenomenal things in the Redwood Forest, and this is only the beginning. Let's keep going ahead. All right, guys, check this out. So this tree right here completely separated from this one, and it fell over completely. You can see all the roots and branches and stuff of it. Some of them are still right there in the ground. This hole is really deep down. Like, I'm all the way up here, over here where the ground level is, and it ripped out that much of the ground. Like, that is just crazy. And it split right there too. So half of the tree is kind of still up, and here's the other half right here. And then, you know, a little bit of the tree is still stuck on that one. But yeah, it tore out a lot of the grounds right here, just fell over. And right over there, that tree also fell over. It looks like it got hit by lightning or something, or just got weak and fell over. That's super crazy too. In this particular area, the whole ground is just tree branches and tree leaves and pine and stuff. And even over here in the pathway, it's all dirt. It's really nice here, super quiet. Look at all that green moss. That is some very vibrant moss right there. Almost looks like someone took a paintbrush and painted it. Alright, guys, so we're at the south side right now. Tomorrow we're going to the north side where there's like a tunnel where the cars drive through. So that's pretty cool. Alright, guys, so it is the next day now. It's raining right now, so we can't do many things, but we do have our raincoats. So we're going to try to do as much as we can. But super nice view right here. And we got like these bear statues. There's a bear right there and a bear right there. But yeah, this is pretty sick. Got all the fog over there. My hat. But got all the fog right over there. Got a little fisherman guy right there. And there's a bird over there, or a duck, keeps speaking its language. But yeah, this fog and all that, super nice. Just take a look at all the moss and stuff here. Like, let me show you guys some of that. So right over here, you got all the moss that's been growing on the stone right here. This honestly looks super cool. And then, like, you got all the trees and brush right here. But take a look at this over here. This statue has also got some moss growing on it, but right here, this is what the stone used to look like, and like got all this nature stuff growing on it right here, all this moss and stuff. All right, guys, so got our raincoats on. It's raining right now. We are on the north side. right now. So got a lot of trees right here, slightly bigger. Some of them are much bigger, but there's a lot of cool stuff here. Trees, moss, a lot of cool stuff. Some mushrooms, poisonous mushrooms. Let me show you. So got a lot of moss right here. I'm sure that this is a mushroom right here, and I'm sure that's very poisonous, and it's kind of scary to look at too at the same time. But got a lot of that. Got some regular mushrooms there too. Another poisonous mushroom right there. Very cool stuff. This raincoat keeping me nice and dry. This tree right here covered in some moss. These trees are very tall. This one right here broke, either got struck by lightning or just deteriorated and fell apart. So walking in here into the jungle, you can see right here, the center of that tree is missing, which is interesting. But we got this super tall tree right here. All right, got this tree right here. It's pretty tall. All right, guys, check this out. This is a tree stump from a redwood tree, all red on the inside. This is really cool. Take a look at that. Check this out, guys. The tour through the tree. I'm inside of a redwood tree right now. This thing's huge. Watch this. We're gonna tour through the tree. It's a good thing it rains here a lot because it keeps it nice and green and the trees won't burn down. But anyways, guys, that is gonna be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave your thoughts and comments down below if you guys like these travel vlogs. I definitely like making them. But that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.